Now, one of the nice things about the GT Premium is that it does have built-in navigation, so you don't have to rely on your phone. If you're using the navigation, it's really straightforward. So we're just gonna hit search, start typing the address, go a little bit slower, start typing in the first few characters and then pause. It's gonna auto-populate it for you. We're just gonna select the address that we wanna go to. And you can do one of two things. You can either save it as a favorite, or you can start in order to start her going.
Obey traffic laws, be alert, and use voice commands while driving.
There we go.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, and then the route.
We can mute it if you have a preference.
Will start.
So voice guidance is now off if that's a preference of yours. In order to be able to cancel an existing route, there's a little X button at the top here. We're just going to press that and hit yes to cancel the route. Perfect. Jumping into our menu now, we've got a ton of different options here. The one to focus on is going to be our navigation settings. Starting in our map preferences here. As you can see, we've got the ability to change out some of the preferences. The big one to point out is going to be this point of interest icon. That means that it's going to show things like gas stations and coffee shops and things like that. So if you have a preference to show those, you just turn it on from here. Our route preferences is also another important one. Moving into our preferred route, we've got fastest, shortest, or eco-friendly. But the one to really point out would be this. So we've got avoid freeways, toll roads, ferries, or tunnels, etc. So it's really, really cool because if you don't like driving on the 407 or other toll roads, you can hit that button there and then the navigation will take that into account. So whatever your preferences are as you drive. Navigation preferences, nothing crazy there. We've got different prompts, so it's going to be a voice and a tone, voice or a tone. And that's going to be as we're coming up to an upcoming turn. So whether we get a tone or a voice. And last screen here, we've got our home or work, so we can set up a home or work address here, and we can save that. One of the nice things about having your home or work address set up, if you'd like to navigate home, all you have to do is press the steering wheel button and say navigate home, and it's automatically going to navigate to, it's going to set up the navigation to your home address that you've set up here.